If you apply for a standard credit card with zero credit history, algorithm red flags go off automatically. You get rejected and a hard inquiry hits your file. What banks won't tell you on their main homepage is that they have separate guaranteed approval channels designed specifically for people starting at zero. I'm revealing the 4 cards that bypass the credit check entirely and how to use them to get a 700 score in 6 months. Path number 1 is your safest entry point: secure credit cards. You give the bank a refundable cash deposit, usually around $200, which becomes your spending limit. Because the bank holds your money, they take zero risk, which makes approval super easy with a blank file. Gold standard options like Discover It Secured report to all 3 credit bureaus every month. Just remember that deposit doesn't pay your bill, you still pay monthly. But after 6 to 12 months, the bank hands your money back and upgrades you to a regular card. Path number 2 is your student short card. Student credit cards. If you're enrolled in a college or university, skip secured cards entirely. Lenders know students don't have an established history, so they approve you based on your student status and basic income, including part-time work or financial aid. Options like the Capital One Saver Student require zero security deposit and give you cashback rewards on groceries and dining. Just make sure you apply while you're still in school, because once you graduate, the short card closes. Path number 3 is the modern alternative: cash flow fintech cards. If you are not a student and don't want to lock up $200 as a deposit, look at the cards like Chime. Instead of pulling a non-existent credit score, their systems look directly at your checking account to evaluate your real income and spending habits. You get approved based on the money actually moving through your bank account rather than a blank credit report. The catch here is that credit limits start fairly low, so you need to manage them tightly. Path number 4 is the fastest booster on the planet: becoming an authorized user. If a family member has a credit card with years of perfect payments and a low balance, ask them to add your name to that account. You don't even need to touch a physical card or spend a single dollar. Their entire positive payment history gets copied straight onto your credit file, giving you an established score overnight. Just be careful: if they miss a payment or run up a high balance, that bad history lands on your file too. Once you get approved, the real game begins. Getting the credit card is step 1. Building a pristine 700+ credit score is step 2. To fast-track your score and avoid falling into high-interest debt traps, stick to these 3 rules. Rule number 1: always pay in full and on time. Your payment history makes up over a third of your entire credit score. It is the single biggest factor in entire calculation. Set up automated payments right away for 100% of your statement balance every month. That way you never pay a penny in interest and you never miss a payment. Rule number 2: keep your credit utilization under 10%. Utilization is how much of your total limit you actually use. While most people say keep it under 30%, keeping it under 10% is what signals banks you don't rely on debt. If your credit limit is $300, never let your reported balance to go over $30. Rule number 3: always pre-qualify before applying. Never hit submit application blindly on a bank's homepage. Look for a check pre-qualification link first. This uses a soft credit check that reveals your exact odds of getting approved without hurting your credit file, saving you from taking an unnecessary hit before you even start. Starting with zero credit history can feel intimidating, but every single person with an 800 credit score started at the exact same square one. Grab a secured card, a student card, or check your pre-qualifications today to get your foot in the door. And if this breakdown saved you some time, hit that like button and subscribe for more financial guides. Thank you for watching.